Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Orgain protein powder. To begin, simply grab your favorite Orgain protein powder and a liquid of your choice. You can use water, milk, or a plant-based alternative like almond milk. For a standard serving, measure out 2 scoops of the powder. Then, add 8 to 10 fluid ounces of your chosen liquid. Stir or shake it well until it's perfectly smooth and ready to enjoy. Beyond simple shakes, Orgain protein powder is incredibly versatile for culinary creations. Try boosting your breakfast by mixing 1 scoop into your oatmeal or yogurt for an extra protein kick. For a nutritious and satisfying snack, blend 1 or 2 scoops into a smoothie with your favorite fruits, vegetables, and a healthy fat source. You can even use it in baking, adding protein to pancakes, muffins, or homemade energy bites. Understanding the best times to use Orgain protein powder can maximize its benefits. Many people find it ideal for post-workout recovery, helping to repair and build muscles after exercise. It also serves as an excellent meal replacement when you're on the go, or as a satisfying snack between meals to curb hunger. Consistent protein intake throughout your day contributes significantly to achieving your overall nutritional and wellness objectives. To get the most out of your Orgain protein powder, consider a few key tips. Feel free to adjust the amount of liquid you use. More liquid will result in a thinner shake, while less creates a thicker consistency. Always store your container in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its freshness and quality. For personalized dietary guidance, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.